Hello folks, it's What's for Supper Wednesday, and today we're going to be having taco pizza. We picked up a couple packs of this here taco meat. It's sausage with taco seasoning in it. Just cook that up. Alrighty, Carolyn's got that cooked up. We got a couple cans of salsa, a tomato, some sour cream, and lettuce. And back there's the cheese. And there's some crescent rolls, some parchment paper. Alrighty, we're going to put some salsa in that taco meat. Just stir your salsa in good there, folks. And once again, this is just a basic idea. Whatever you like with your tacos, you fix them that way. Alrighty, there's our crescent rolls. They sell those in sheets also, but our stores didn't have them this time. Anymore, it's hit or miss whether or not they've actually got something or not. I'm sure it's like that everywhere anymore. Oh yeah, Carolyn's got it fixed good there. Alrighty, she's gonna spoon on the taco meat. But yep, just spoon it on there. Here in just a minute, we'll be throwing some cheese. Put whatever kind of cheese you want on there. You make this as spicy as you want, however you want to do it, folks. This is just a basic idea. Whatever you like. You hear people all the time talk, well, I can't cook or make anything there. Have fun with it. Now, look how simple this here is. Who couldn't fix this here? It's real simple. Just sit down, think of different things there, and then just try it. You'll surprise yourself. Carolyn's trying to pinch up all them little holes. Folks, you ain't got to do that there. Leave it, fix it however you want. That there just add a little bit of decoration to it. It'll be fine. Alrighty, there's the cooked finished product. Now we'll cut a piece off here. and you just fix however you want, whatever fixings you want. We like sour cream and lettuce, tomato, or let's even throw some more cheese on there. I don't know. We'll see what Carolyn does here. Look at that. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Share it with your friends if you think they'd like this. And hit the bell notification. And you all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.